As we celebrate the Filipino tradition of All Saints and All Souls Day, anthropology professor, archaeologist, and historian Dr. Jose Chobres Bresales conducted a forum on the pre-colonial Visayan beliefs on death and afterlife. The forum, called Panaw, meaning Journey into the Afterlife, took the audience into an unfamiliar dimension, a different perspective on spirituality, particularly life after death.
Pre-colonial ni siya, pero actually nasuwat ni siya ang mga libro mga 50 years after the Spanish conquest. So they have an idea and also some evidence sa archaeological nga mga excavations na.
These beliefs and rituals are traced back to the times of our pagan ancestors. The ancient Filipinos believed in a supreme being called Bathala, the creator of heaven and earth and all living things. Under this all-powerful god was a pantheon of lesser gods, like the Visayan goddess of harvest, fire, water, and other elements attributed to the pagan idols.
For example, magbutang tag mga pagkaon sa patay, no? Naman nga practice kani adto. Kanang hugkas kanang 1 year after bisita anniversary. Kani adto kauton gina mga bukog impiyuhan ay secondary burial or das balay na karon wala na. But napa na nga practice kana sang ampo ta sa itong mga parente nga tabangan ta murag ancestor worship naman na kana karaang panahon napa maghapon karon.
Pre-colonial Filipinos, with their animistic-based spirituality, believed heavily in the transmigration of the soul in the afterlife. The natives, on the other hand, believed that man has two souls. One will go to heaven and the other one to the underworld, or will stay on earth to haunt the living. In today's society, however, there are people who gain an immortalized status after their death by igniting a chain of revolution, not just in their nation but throughout the world. Their works, advocacy, and discoveries leave their name in the hallmarks of everyone's mind for countless generations. Dr. Bresales aims to enlighten the audience, especially the millennials, on which beliefs are still being practiced today.
Mga batanon man ni kasagaran is for them to realize nga daghan pod mga tinuhuan kaniadto nga nabilin pa karon ug nasa uban nga nangawala na so kada Kristiyano ta.
Spearheaded by the Ramon Aboitiz Foundation Incorporated, the forum was held at the Casa Goroldo Museum, Lopez Haines Street, Cebu City on October 26, 2018. With cameraman Roniel Madrid and Jefferson Cañada. Dan Luzon, MyTV, Cebu.